Hey there, YouTubers! Hello, Dr. Sheep here. Oh, it's a challenge. Oh boy. Oh, was that the hide and go seek challenge? It's not. Today, we are doing 10 things you can find. Well, 10 interesting things you can look at under a microscope. Well, we're going to hope they're interesting. It's going to be a competition between Kyle, and Will. And Phil will be judging. I will be, obviously, filming with my cane. Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm not injured. Schmucks! Wow, somebody's getting beat with a cane. It ain't gonna be pretty. Alright. So get over here! Here's how the challenge is going to begin. Phil is going to go. Welcome, get in here.
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming.
Hello. Ooh.
Here's how the challenge is going to go, even though I'm going to explain it to Kyle the minute he gets back down here. Phil is going to go hide in his room, while Kyle and Will go and collect things. I will be filming what they collect. And there is a table located on that side of the basement where we will lay everything out in no particular order. Probably every other one. Why do you torture me, child? See this cane? It's gonna go places. Anyways, the microscope will also be there, and we'll prep the slides, and then call Phil down here, and we'll begin judging. Luckily, we can look at things with the camera can be looking at the microscope, and you can look at us with the GoPro. Everybody's reactions. Phil will be rating them probably on a scale of 1 to 10. And I'll be keeping track. Let's begin, shall we? The quest begins. Hello.
Hey.
You're both getting leaves?
This is my first idea anyways.
He already has a leaf.
I already have one.
You know I can keep up with you, right? So, Will has found his next item.
I'm putting my stuff
I
in
have
here.
3.
You both have June bugs. Okay, well, he got the first June bug, so you can't reuse a June bug. You have one item.
There's an egg.
It's not an egg.
Yeah, it is. It's
Nothing.
an egg for a praying mantis.
Let me see that.
Praying mantis egg.
Oh, I mean, that could be good if you want. I wouldn't put it in the water, but... Should we go down to the river and
There's
get
a
some...
river?
Yes, there's a river. It's
Alright, I want to do
creek.
that.
Alright, we'll go down there. You want to go down there? So they've come to a local water hole. Keys are in the truck. Thank God the windows are rolled down. Sandy. That's for sure. And this is how Will dies. Yep.
I thought you were running towards me.
No.
Where did you frog?
You can catch it and kill it.
I'm not killing frogs.
We got the pond scum. Show the viewers. It's pretty clear for pond scum, I will say. All right. All right. So they're exploring this area. There's a thistle down there. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it. There's Will. What are you doing?
Looking
4.
something.
You need 2 items. Kyle's just getting more and more items. Getting in the shade more. It's too sunny. Should have brought my telephoto. This would have been better. Alright, so I've gone through and we've put them all on slides in no particular order. So, first slide is cattle.
It's a cow patty.
Alright.
Let me see.
What do you rate the dung?
Let me see.
On a scale of 1 to 5?
1 to 10.
1 to 10? I kind of want to know what it's up against. But
I mean, you can change it later. That's fine.
I'm going to start out with a 4.
A 4. Alright.
It's kind of lame.
Kind of lame.
It's kind of lame.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're looking at the praying mantis egg, which is number 2.
Ooh.
And, well, it's blurry because you can only, your plane of focus is like a millimeter. Alright, so, what do you rate it?
That was kind of cool. I'll give it a 7.
7. So now we're looking at a stem. We're going to zoom in a little more here.
Yeah, it's
Well,
good.
just say a number.
More than 8.
Highest yet.
Okay, so now we're looking at number 4. We're looking at cobweb. So, what are you giving that?
I'll give that a 7.
7 for the cobweb.
Got the
Fine.
June bug.
So you just look through there.
We'll give it a 9.
That is
9?
so cool.
9.
Okay, 6. This is the edge of a flower petal. Alright, the flower petal. What are you rating it?
I'll give that a 9 as well.
Whatever. Alright, what do you give the leaf with the corn leaf?
Well, if it sells, I give it a 9.
It's,
If it's not sells, it's more like a 7.
it sells.
I don't
He
think
doesn't
they're-
know what he's talking about.
If they're not cells.
So you're just rating things 9 if you can see cells.
It's pretty cool. That one's just blown out. Fine, we'll go happy middle 8. Give it an 8.
Alright, this is pond scum. Well, either way, what do you give the pond one?
I'll give it a 6. A rock?
Do you even need to look at it?
Yes.
Yes.
It has little fibers.
Alright, so what do you think?
I'm interested. We'll give it another 7.
Another 7.
It's a flower. What do you rate it?
That's kind of interesting. Honestly, I give it a 9.
A 9.
It's kind of interesting.
We've gone
Your blood could raise it.
Shh. No.
Yes.
No. It is. We are done.
His blood could raise it.
We're done.
Quit.
Evens were Kyle. Odds were Will. Will had 35 or 36. I really don't remember. And Kyle had 38. So Kyle won.
Yes, I did.
Congratulations. I don't know. You get nothing. Except for the viewers, which this whole video kind of like fell apart anyways because it's hard to record.
Dissecting Phil.
No, Will.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dissecting Will.
No, dissecting Bill.
Anyways, like being all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos every other Saturday, noon Central Time, and good night. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.